Okay, thank you.
Everybody. Okay, so right side, and then left side. Okay, and then going left around these.
Got it.
Okay, going in the center. Okay, looking for the apex cone.
And the next one.
Good. Next apex.
Next two.
Okay, and then going through the crossover.
And then next cone.
Okay, round left hand side of this. Then turning right here.
And a slalom.
Yep. Good. Okay, left, and then right, and you're aiming at those gates. Okay, set it up.
And a slalom.
Yep. Okay, left, and then right, and you're going back across. Set up early for this left-hand turn. Good. Now right. Okay, hit the apex here. Carry out wide.
Right through the
Out
gate.
wide, yeah, and then turning right through the gate. Come back now.
Big turn, yes. Through the next gate.
Through the next gate,
then-
into the bus stop.
Oh, right.
Good.
And then.
Okay, through the gate straight ahead.
Yep. And
Left hand turn. Continue through the next gate and into the finish. Good.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so right side. Okay, left side. Put it in second. Left. Good. Through the cones. Okay, now looking for your next apex. Brakes. Good. You can roll on the gas.
Back to the loop.
Yeah.
To the left.
Left.
Next cone.
Okay, bit of brakes.
Okay.
Get the car
Slalom.
rotated in.
Okay.
Accelerate. Good. Okay, right.
This is slow.
Left. Okay, right.
Here, too.
Yep. Set up early. A little bit of brakes. Turn. Good. Ease on the throttle. Okay. Roll on nice and easy. Nice and easy. Okay. Go out further. Out further. Out further. Good. Now come back across.
Through the gate.
Straight through the gate.
Bus stop.
Okay. In through the bus stop. Good.
Gate.
Straight through the gate.
Corner.
Okay.
And then
Around the
stop
corner.
box.
Good.
The gate.
Good. Roll on the gas. Roll on the gas. Hard on the gas. Full on the gas. Brakes.
Thank you.
Go. Okay, so left. Good. Straight through. Okay, left. Left. Start putting the power on. Power. Power. Left through here. Left to the cone. Keep the power on. Power on. Power on. Brake. Rotate the car to the right. To the left. Okay, no brake. Just keep it. Keep going. Keep going. Good. Good. Keep going. Slow. Slow. Okay, little brake. Come back across. Turn left. Good. Turn right. Okay. Ease it on. Ease it on. Remember, going out wide here. Out wide. Out wide. Out wide. Out wide. Brake. Turn in. Good. Come back across through the gate. Okay. Brake. Get the car turned in. Off the brake. Get it turned back. On the gas. On the gas. Okay. Little lift. Good. On the gas. All the way on. All the way on. All the way on. All the way on. All the way on.
Let's press on the brake too. I'm not used to the pedal placement. Your foot was a little narrower.
Okay, so going to the right.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, left. Good. Through the cones. Okay, look into the apex.
Yep.
Okay, it starts to roll on the throttle. And you're going through the crossover.
Yep.
Aiming to the
To
left.
the left.
Good.
And right. And
Good.
it's gonna be,
Yep, keep going. Stay in it. Okay, turn. Good. Stay in it. Stay in it. Good. Okay, left. Stop a brake. Good. Come around. Good. Okay, make the turn right.
He's on.
Roll on throttle.
He's on.
Okay, run out
Gate.
wide. Out wide. Out wide.
Gate.
Come back.
Yep. And then another gate.
Yep. Through the gate. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Brakes. Okay, get it rotated. Come back on the throttle. Come out wide. Good. In. Good. Start to roll on. Roll on throttle. Full throttle. Whew.
Thank you.
There. Good. Okay. Straight through. Left. Good. Keep your foot in it. Okay. Bit of brakes. Up nice and tight. Good. Start to roll on throttle. Good. Power. Full power. Full full power. That's all right, you're good. Make the turn. Good, come back. Stay in it. There you go. Okay, a bit of brakes. Okay, turn back across. Good, nice. So you can bring this one sharper.
Wide.
Bring it sharper, bring it sharper.
Okay.
Yep, there you go. Keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Way better. Okay, don't slow down so much for the bus stop. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Turn back. Okay, good. Wait, and start to roll on. Whew. Okay, whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Good. Turn. Okay, carry speed. Carry speed. A little bit more. Too much. Good. Okay, roll on. Good. So keep your foot in it, foot in it, foot in it, foot in it. Good. Yeah, there you go. Nice. Come back across. There you go. Good. Doing well. Okay, stay in it.
Right. Somewhere.
Good. You're doing great. This is all you. Okay. Get on it. There. I hardly gave you any instruction that
I'm
time.
getting to know the course better.
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, thank you.
Good. Good. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Nice and steady. Okay, get on the power. Stay in it. Stay in it. Stay in it. Good. Nice. That's good. Get on it. It's good. Stay in. You're doing great. Awesome. Doing really well, Dad.
Been tight on this one.
Yep. Good. There you go. Don't brake so hard for this one. Good. Carry the speed. Carry the speed. Carry the speed. Good. Okay, wait. Wait to get on power. Wait to get on power. There you go. Full power. Full throttle.
Woo. Yes! Yes!
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
Oh, yes.